Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Throne and Liberty Kicked by Easy anti-cheat. It's very easy to fix, so watch the video to find out how. The first thing you want to do is open Steam. You want to find Throne and Liberty on your library here. You want to right click it, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, click on Verify Integrity of Files. This will take a little bit of time, a couple of minutes. But you want to do this to make sure that nothing is damaged or corrupted. Now once this reaches 100%, right click on Browse right here. Go to Easy Anti-Cheat folder, left click on it. Find the Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup.exe. Right click on this and click on Copy as Path. Now what you want to do is search for Notepad and paste it, and you will have basically the file path for this executable. Next, what you want to do is take this information here. I'll put this in the video description. You want to paste it after this, like so, and then you will have the executable plus install plus this numbers and letters. You want to copy and paste this, or you can click Control A to select all, Control C to copy, and then you want to head over to Run from Search, and you want to paste this and hit OK. Now this will come up with this dialog box. You want to click yes, and it is finished. And once you have done this, go back to Throne and Liberty and start it, and this should have solved your problem. If this was useful for you, like the video. If this did not work, then leave the video a comment and let me know why.